Step 1. Clean and dust your dock. As you can see here, we're using some isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel. And just spray the alcohol on the paper towel and give it a nice cleaning and dust off any debris or lint that might be left over and let it dry. Step 2. Align and adhere. So now take your skin and we're going to peel up this corner in a moment where the notch is. But the first thing we want to do is to align it to the edge where the notch is on your dock. So you can kind of eyeball it to begin with and then peel that corner off, and you're going to peel all across that side about ½ inch. Just expose the paper back and the decal for about ½ inch here. And that's the edge we're going to line up. So really take your time here to line this one up and get it nice and lined up. Get right over it. Take your time, and then when you get it nice and lined up, press down gently on the side and get it adhered just to that edge. Now step 3, peel and smooth it out. So now that we have one side of the edge aligned, you're going to flip that over and grab the paper backing and just very slowly and patiently peel it back with one hand while you're smoothing it out with your finger of the other hand. And if you get a little stuck or if things don't look like they're adhering right, you can actually peel it back a little bit really carefully. And that's no problem. The adhesive is forgiving. And so you can peel it back up a little bit. Just be really careful, especially when you get to the logo part of it. The logo is pre-adhered for you to make it easy. So you just want to be very careful that that doesn't come off. But you can just patiently go through it, and eventually you'll get to the end. And then the last step, step 4, smooth it out. Finally, get any bubbles out. Take a look at it. Go over the logo and make sure that's adhered nicely, so you can go, one letter at a time. You can push your finger over it. Just be very careful that you're not pushing too hard. And now you're done. So sit back and enjoy your new custom colored switch dock. Thanks for watching.